Today we're at the Best Western Hotel here in Strongsville, Ohio for a first time event on this channel, the Ohio TerrorCon 2024, which is 2 days of vendors, movie screenings, and celebrity guests. So let's get started. And look who it is, everybody. Is that Nash Files, YouTube's own Nash Files?
Yes, sir. How's it going?
All right. We met up a few years ago and we finally met up to collaborate on a video here at the Ohio TerrorCon. If you like filming locations, famous graves, all that good stuff, check out the Nash Files. His YouTube channel is incredible. He's also an Ohio native, so we both call soda pop around here. Now, me and Nash Files are gonna go inside and check out the Ohio TerrorCon. So let's get this video started. And right out of the gate, there's the merch table for the Ohio TerrorCon. Actually, I really like that sweater. And as we enter the vendor room, let's see, the first thing to catch my eye is definitely this Frank the Bunny here from, of course, Donnie Darko. And this skull next to it definitely has a Return of the Living Dead vibe to it. I've never seen an original Nightmare on Elm Street puzzle before. That classic Robert Englund, Freddy Krueger, along with this Fred Gwynn over here, also known as Herman Munster. And I really like these painted slates. There's a Michael Myers and Morticia Addams and Eddie from Iron Maiden. And The Shining. Sadly, we just lost Shelley Duvall. Flyboy from Dawn of the Dead. And Bub from Day of the Dead. And here at Ted's Custom Gumball Machines, look at this incredible Jaws, along with Chucky and Sam from Trick or Treat, Jack Torrance and Killer Clowns, and this pig head from Saw. And last but not least, some bloody chocolates from the My Bloody Valentine movie. Since you're a Jaws super fan, which one of these gumball machines would you say is the best?
That is a hard decision because they both have a very different, distinct look. I like that one back there because it's got classic side.
Exactly.
But there's that one. I don't know. I like them both. I can't decide.
It's hard. They're both amazing. I wouldn't complain if I had either one, to be honest with you.
That's true.
You got Sam and Pennywise and Captain Spaulding, Michael Myers, Ghostface. Oh, who's the clown from American Horror? What's his name?
Twisty.
Twisty, yes, thank you.
That little Freddy one up there. I'm digging the Freddy.
You got Nash Files getting in there, enjoying the Tiny Terrors. Thank you so much. I definitely want a card. Tiny Terrors, check them out. Just about every mask you can think of. I see Dracula and They Live, Leatherface and Pennywise, and a Michael Myers mask from every movie of the franchise, along with some killer clowns down at the other end. We found our first cosplay with Pinhead and her young Cenobite. She's carrying that Lament configuration puzzle box. And of course, from the Evil Dead trilogy, look at this incredible chainsaw wielding Ash. Thank you. Not Jason Voorhees. Who let you out of Camp Crystal Lake again? All right, it's finally time for us to meet Bam Margera over here. Try not to fanboy out too much, but he was the professional skateboarder who started out making CKY videos and went on to become a daredevil in the MTV Jackass movies and TV series, until starring in his own show, Viva La Bam. He was also in the 2003 film Grind, which Nash Files over here has a poster with autographs from most of the cast already on it. So it'll be cool to see Bam's reaction.
Where's all these dudes?
I just started a grind poster. We got King Potter, Jimmy Carter.
I know that's
Don Gill,
yeah.
Tom Green, and Randy Quaid.
All right.
So, we love Randy Quaid. Starting a grind poster. Thank you so much. Yeah.
I don't know how you did it.
Set this right here.
Get in there. Yes. All right, I'm not getting anything signed, but it's definitely time for my photo op.
Sick.
Thank you. Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome, man.
Oh man, I fangirl too much. There's a puppet show being filmed over there. Ironically enough, the puppet is called Chad. Alright, today's video was short and sweet, but Ohio TerrorCon was a good time. Let's go find the Nash Files and head on out. Alright, that's going to do it from the Ohio TerrorCon and the Hana Garage Sale. Special thanks to my buddy Nash Files, YouTube's own Nash Files, an Ohio native. We had an incredible time collaborating on this video. And until me and Nash Files meet again, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.